Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Calendly in WordPress or how you can connect it to your WordPress website. Okay, so as you can see, I have my Calendly account, and on the other tab, I have my WordPress website. Okay, so first off, we have to set or create an event type here on Calendly. So you just have to click on the new event type option. And then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here just have to select the event type that you are going to use. For this one, we're just going to use the one-on-one, and then here we have to input the details of this event type. So we have the event name, so I'm just going to type it right here, tour, and then for the duration, and then of course you have to select your location. So I'm just going to use Google Meet for this one. After that, click on continue, and at the right side you can see the preview of the event type that you are making. Let's go to the scheduling settings. Right here we just have to set the date range, the hours and calendar settings, the event limits, and all of the important information. Next, we have the booking page options. So here we can type out the name of our event link and then the booking form. If we would like to add additional question in our booking form, you just have to click on the add new question, and then the confirmation page as well. Then after customizing this section, you just have to click on save and close. That's right. And then the last one, we have the notifications and workflows. So here for the basic information, we have the calendar invitation. So if you would like to turn on the email reminders, text reminders, and email follow-up, we have to subscribe or upgrade our plan in order for us to access this feature. After that, just click on save and close. Okay, and then after creating your event type, you just have to copy the link because we are going to use it later on in our WordPress website. And here we clicked on the share option, we can actually add this to our website, but it will make this process complicated. So I'm going to show you an alternative in order for you to easily put the link of your Calendly to your WordPress website. So you just have to copy the link, and then we have to go back to our WordPress website, and then we are going to edit our site. So just click on edit site. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here you can either create a new page or customize an existing page. So for this one, I'm just going to create a new page. So I'm just going to name this one as book with me, and click on create draft. And in this section, we just have to choose or add a block. Okay, so what we're going to do is to click on this plus icon at the top left, or this one, and then we just have to search for buttons. Okay, and then after that, click on the button, and then we have to name this button as book now or click here. Okay, so it's up to you, and then we are going to put here or connect here the link of our Calendly event type. So here, go back to Calendly, copy the link, and then you just have to click on the link icon and paste it right here. And when I clicked on enter, and if we are going to preview this section, as you can see, when someone visits our website and clicked on this button, they'd be redirected to our Calendly booking website. Okay, so they'll be able to see here the available dates and time. And if you would like to add a booking section to an existing page, so let's go back here, and then let's try to add a button to our home page. So you just have to do the same, just have to add a new block. You just have to select the button, and then you have to go back to Calendly, copy the link, and then go to the link section, and then you just have to paste it again. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.